Meaning of infra.
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 Infra. The prefix infra dash is derived from Latin and typically means below, beneath, or under. It is commonly used in English to indicate something that is foundational or underlying, such as infrastructure, the basic physical and organizational structures needed for the operation of a society or enterprise, infrasonic, sound waves with frequencies below the audible range, or infrared, electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than visible light. In summary, infra dash implies a sense of subterranean or foundational importance, often referring to something that is essential but not always visible or immediately apparent.